Like the people them like I think are the same sexy diva and one next person did over there shoot film the night there. And she said she go tell him, say turn them in a moderator. Me say one time the girl go and see the subscription balance. She change up. When she see the subscription balance and she said she can make money. Well, listen, me never have nothing to say bad about Akeem. You say it. That's what I'm tell you. Say, if you say entertainment, I say, all right, when the boy go and see me, I say, why you never go outside and make Jakes feel more comfortable? And Jakes say entertainment. Go outside, me say, Akeem respectful. Go outside. You're in the house like up act like you never know say out there. You know from heaven and earth say the boy out there. And you act like you never know. You're too fucking lie, man. If you stop it. You say it. You fucking say it. So what if you fucking say the boy a Batty, man? You say it. Then you blame them never sit down on one live one whole night and blame them cuss and say the boy a Batty, man. And you sit down on the live with him. And you say it. But you never know say your Akeem thing they gotta take off like this. You never know say your name something that take off like this. You never know. No, she never know say that gonna take off like this, you know. And when she go and see the boy, balance, and that's when everything about her start change now. Cause she see how much money they might make and all these things. You're too fucking lie, bitch. If it stop tell lie. Where else she say me say chat? Can make me only hear pieces, you know. Where else she say me say? Me not say nothing but me, I never have a bad thing. Me I never have a bad conversation. Me never tell her to go near no Akeem. Akeem need have coins for them much chat. When time she talk to Akeem. Akeem never make no coins. So all me forgot tell yourself you go use the boy for coins. That makes sense? Does that fucking make sense? You see entertainment and me say go on girl get your coins. That's what I said to you. Get your coins. You come the next day, you say because you never like how me talk about Daima. Tina, what's up? You never like how me talk about Daima. And you tell me if you stop talk about triple. And me talk about me still talk about triple. Appear like you tell. That's why you say you come the next day and I say me talk about triple. Let me say what the rest when me talk about triple. And you never like how me talk about Daima. From that me no look for you, bitch. The date after the date me never ever call you. Like my spirit just they gone from you. Me not chat to you. And long after that you come and tell TikTok about this and that. You too fucking lie. But me on the phone for 4 or 5 hours. The most me talk to you upon your fucking birthday night. 50 fucking 6 minutes. You too fucking lie. You have to stop it. Yeah, man, cause she go on a date and she realized that she get little coins and she go on with herself. So she feel herself now. Because a long time, you know, because remember before this, you know, never to go on fear, you know, she come and she make her like 100K coin and she gone. Not never go on fear before this. Never to she not. I say she never have up. She said me talk about everyone. The fuck, if me talk about everyone, who gives a fuck? Who gonna beat me? Who the fuck gonna beat me? The boy don't want you and he find a way to get rid of you. You know, see you're fucking you see your piglets, them are idiot. You know, see your fucking piglet in getting way out. Because he can't left you panic when I left you because of something where you do. Because he don't want the fucking internet for bash him. So I'm gonna say because that way you say why him leave, you fucking idiot you. You see a fucking idiot, the boy getting way out and gone. The boy tired of you. Boy making team and gone. He's a fucking idiot. And you look a piglet them. Yeah, escape route. Him want left far. I'm escape route. So him get him escape route, but him have to make it look like a something where she do. Because remember the last time when in the sexy diva situation and everybody are bash him saying user. So he can't come with that again. He must give you one different excuse, bitch. You know, she say you're idiot. You know, she say you're idiot. He must give you one different excuse. Because if him did into you like how you say him into you, nothing when nobody tell him couldn't make you no break up. You fucking idiot, yo. Yeah, worse than man mascot. First you come yesterday, say a Jakes make a series mash up. Then all of a sudden now when me say make a series mash up. But what the ras this? How you see appear like she telling her she play the pity party, the sympathy party, appear like she tell. You come with you and you say Jakes never beat you yet. King Mel's what's up? You say Jakes never beat you yet. I fight you and Jakes fight. That she said chat, she come with you and she said Jakes never beat her. I fight she and Jakes fight. If you think she an idiot, I fight she and Jakes fight. No, Jakes beat you how much this, that. Every minute your fucking story change. Every minute your fucking story change. She said that, not Steffi, she said that. What the fuck you do when she said that? Ask the chat if she never said that. She said Jakes no beat her, I fight, then fight. Jakes take your money, Jakes not take your money. Me not add no now, no, me no no. Moving her ass. Then she does upon her life, she will cut herself and call the police. Then she does upon her life, she will cut herself one night and call the police. And then I hear when she said that, so she will cut herself and call the police. A wicked girl that. Wicked girl that. Yeah, man, she talk till she can't remember her lie them. She talk till she can't remember her lie them. I pay lie she tell her she don't remember what she say. Me tell her say woman in the house. Which part me tell her text me I tell her say make we sit in the bedroom. The same thing where everybody did say when in there the Airbnb at Ochi when in got a best weekend ever. You're too fucking lie. You're fucking lie about me tell us the woman in our house. What the fuck if you tell us the woman in our house I've never seen our house? We were just playing with him on the live. And him a come off at the live and you ain't wanting to come off. And you know say everybody on the live. I didn't even know say everybody on the live did I say that. I didn't even remember say everybody on the live did I say that. Girl, go sit your ass down somewhere to fucking lie. You gonna say why you carry on your picnic round Batty man? And look how much Batty man you have in your circle. So if you carry your picnic round Batty man, look how much Batty man you have in your circle. So what are you talking about? You make no fucking sense. Look how much Batty man in your circle. So you gonna talk about what if me carry if me go carry my picnic round Batty man? Look how much Batty man your circle of Batty man straight. So the fuck you talk about? You're just stupid or what? You hear yourself? You hear yourself? Oh, why you gonna carry around your picnic bro? Round Batty man. Your whole fucking circle of Batty man. So the fuck you talk about? Your whole fucking circle of Batty man. So what you talk about? That makes sense? We are gonna talk about if in the Batty just think one thing that ain't freaking head and everybody that the whole alive. So all them people they will encourage you. If you know say you have a man, whether you're the man there or not, you have the man still in your household. And if you step outside of your household and I go have relationship, what kind of fucking people? And they have your best interest at heart. They might look for most of them ego. And for them sad fucking life they might live. They want to feel better, but the sad fucking life where they might live. Guys, everybody we see a praise that series, yeah, I live some sad fucking life. No decent human being, nah praise what Rosealee do. Because Rosealee is putting her life in danger. No decent human being, nah praise what Rosealee do. No decent girl or wife or when you want to call, no decent woman, not praising what she's doing. Nothing is wrong with dating, but make your man come out of your household and you date. If you want date Batty man or bisexual man, nobody no care how you love. But anybody I go say, go outside of your household and make sure see your man outside first. Not decent, none of them life where you see a different Rosealee, a pure big careless woman them, we want to feel better about themselves and the sad fucking life where them a live. No real woman, no decent woman. Nango so what agree with what Rosealee do. I put her life in a danger. You don't want to feel better about the sad fucking careless life where we live. That's why I'm over there. I praise her and I tell her this and I tell her, oh, give the boy a bun. Give the boy this, do the boy that. Yes, nothing wrong with moving on with your life and live your life. And if you find somebody will make you feel better about your life, you kick out your man and you move on. Or you pack up, if your man no one left, you pack up your things and you go live your life and date. Them don't have no morals. Them woman a dirty girl them. I praise what she a fucking do. I put your life in a danger. What the fuck? Uno say the man is this, the man is that. And Uno go agree with what she do. No. Cause step out of your household and do that. Make the man leave. And if the man don't want to leave, you can't say you can't leave because you don't have money. And you are make the money. You leave and go do what you need to do. And enjoy your life and be safe. What kind of fuckery I got talk about? Uno over there. Oh, Jake's good, Jake's techie. Yo, I pay a worthless girl. One whole per worthless girl. We all live dirty life like she. I praise what she do. Are you come on life come say Jake's father bad man I see you. Me alright. Me hear she say. Me send gun contour. Yes, Peter Gay. When time Jabas them did send the gun to Peter Gay, me send the picture and show you to fucking like. Me say the girl wicked enough. Me say the girl wicked. The girl fucking wicked. Me say when time Jabas and Peter Gay them go through their story and them a send the threat to Peter Gay. I sent the picture and show her what they said. If Peter Gay they here, Peter Gay can come tell you no. I send the picture and show her the GUN when them sent to Peter Gay. And me turn to her and say, look where Jabba sent Peter Gay. And she will say me I send picture of GUN go give her. Girl, you liar fucking wicked, you know? You fucking wicked. Me say you lie and wicked. I saw you go tell lie pan slime them and slime them if you move and jade them. You too lie if you stop tell lie. Everybody you come you tell lie pan. Can't tell me no I'm to your internet. Me add you about your internet. Everybody you walk and fucking tell lie pan.
No, yeah. Tell me if you hear me. You hear me?
Yeah, me hear you now, yeah. Talk.
Every time you join from your live, you come up. How then do? I left?
I don't even know, you know. But the man, she said, I guess the man must believe what me say, so she has to me met the man. Me said, Jordy, your friend, but she a fucking liar. I sent the picture to her, on a cartoon. When Jabba's them send the picture, when Jabba's sister send the picture to Peter Gay, I send the picture and I say, look, them a threaten Peter Gay. I send picture of GUN go give her.
Rosealee,
she too fucking lie.
Me can't watch a series and neither, as you said, as a real woman. Because I don't see no relationship in that. Rough as Daima is, Daima kind of look a little calm down and a little serious more. But for Rose, you know why I don't trust Rosealee? You see night when a boy up on the live, I play live, hear him. Shoot one day for me. Shoot a lion, wifey. Shoot one day for me.
And he will never shoot nothing for her. Me say all Jordy the girl goes to call out Jordy go to her bed to go send lion go give the boy.
So make people can understand. Wait now. Here. So the next day now, then go at the beach. When the boy buy them shoes there and something care come hear me. Humba, 3 boy no want spend $1 out of pocket in tell her for shoot. I will have money when she shooting use carry them back to the beach and buy the shoes, get the pitney them. See, so me look pan it, just remind me of when Triple did buy a van for herself. And me see how Triple did walk out, me know she buy it. And when me talk, my friend here Triple contact yesterday, she did buy a van for herself for sure. Same thing with Rosealee. The boy ain't give her no money, she gift the boy and I spend the money. Can me boy them a scam her? Silent. All the night in the house, you can say Akeem dress back in your face. Dress back when she did the talk, and he said, no man, we have to do this. Me can't lay him out the thing. Pretend the boy
Beyonce,
pretend.
tell me, Beyonce, come tell me. Can you tell me what she said, Beyonce? Cause me not hear everything, you know. Cause me tell you, say me caught up in a beauty in black. Come tell me what she said, Beyonce. Say, go get your next page and come.
Lion or something them. And carry them out the next day. Me say, watch her. They say she don't even sit you all, they say, you know. Cause she fooling how she feel okay. Love. You send him gift and the next day you carry out and buy your pitney shoes and something. Now the same money you get back, girl, when you give him. You must sure you say, no, take your things in and use it. Why never spend for him? Play the game and go spend for him and no ball out to you.
Alright.
Sing a lion. So me just read them up right there, so.
She said she tell like all she have to say, alright, this because here what happened in the chat. Me gonna tell you now what happened. When me read up, this is what me get. She and Diamond over there plan Airbnb and the boy no want no part of no fucking Airbnb. The boy not gonna spend no 2 day Airbnb with her. So he had to get out of that. The boy don't want go no Airbnb go spend 2 days with her. So he have to come up with something to get out of that. You think the boy want to spend 2 whole weekend with her and no fucking Airbnb? How them gonna plan Airbnb?
One to your house and him alone live.
Hold on the cartoon. How them go talk? The boy now want go no Airbnb. The boy that want spend the night with her. So the boy had to come up with something to get out of the Airbnb. The boy don't want to spend no time with you. You see a fucking idiot, girl. The boy don't want to spend no weekend with you. The boy say weekend them a feed and he friend them. But you and Diamond upon live a plan what go Airbnb for weekend. You see a fucking idiot, girl. You see the boy have to get out of that. So the boy tell you that for your whole fucking that. Get the fuck out of here. Cause you still on a plan trip and the boy don't know nothing about it. The boy get out of the series already and time to fucking move on. Yeah, cause you have you go Airbnb, go spend weekend. I wanna get 2 room. All the fuck you plan and the boy not including in the plan. But she a plan surprise. The boy don't even want to spend 1 night with you. Not even 1 whole day the boy no want to spend with you. Or if you like spend whole day. How you want to spend weekend with you? The boy say you have landlord. So how you figure out the people in property for whole weekend? You're so fucking stupid. You're so fucking stupid.